Hi there, Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing here with a quick look at what you can expect to find in the April issue of our magazine. This month's cover story chronicles one parts cleaning company's investments in equipment, processes, and education in order to become a technical cleanliness expert. And speaking of cleaning, you'll also find our quarterly parts cleaning section devoted to cleaning-related topics. Additional features cover insights into understanding the different approaches to heating and curing technologies for surface finishing, and reveal this year's 40 under 40 class of emerging leaders in the finishing industry. Meanwhile, our monthly On the Line interview column delves into the latest trends and approaches in wastewater treatment. As always, you'll also find helpful troubleshooting advice from industry experts, as well as the latest finishing industry news, product announcements, and much more. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.